Hello, and welcome to the Iteration 1 recap for the Profectus app, HouseKeeper. HouseKeeper is supported by an Ubuntu-based server hosted on the DigitalOcean website. This gives it universal accessibility and permanence across all platforms on which the app is hosted. The first feature supported by this backend server is the registration of profile information for user permanence. Using an in-app UI, users can submit email and password information to create a profile on the server that will automatically log them in at the end of their process as well. In order to make this registration process run more smoothly, data entry errors are processed on the server side and returned to the user for correction. In this case, an email that it does not exist in the correct format is picked up by the server and a prompt is sent back to the user in order to encourage a repair of the issue. This check is also performed for password entry during the registration process. In the same iteration vein, the login feature also uses the same data entry checking, only in this case it is checking against existing permanent data in the server to verify the existence of a user account. In this case, switching UI to the login feature, an email and password that previously were registered are passed in and sent to the server for verification. Just as in the registration process, data entry checks for login processes are also performed on the server side, checking formatting, spelling, and whether or not the email and password passed in match an actual existing account in the HouseKeeper database. The server also does empty field checks during each process, returning the appropriate prompt to encourage the user to provide correct information in order to maintain database integrity. Another feature covered in the sprint is connection status monitoring by connecting the app to the HouseKeeper database. As a result, anytime the device running the application is disconnected from the internet, or anytime the server goes down, a prompt is sent to the user. The successful implementation of this profile-based management system during this sprint ensures that HouseKeeper users will have reliable, live access to their information, ensuring that HouseKeeper is able to stand apart from other organizational applications on the market today. We thank you for your time and encourage you to follow our progress at our ZenHub-enabled repository, which you can access at the URL provided on screen.